Have you ever wondered why some people seem naturally confident in certain situations, while others feel completely out of place, even when they're equally smart or capable? It's not just luck or personality. It's something much deeper. Pierre Bourdieu, one of the most influential sociologists of the 20th century, called it habitus. Habitus is like an invisible script written into us by our upbringing, culture, and social class. It shapes the way we think, move, talk, and even dream, often without us realizing it. Imagine walking into a luxury art gallery. Some people walk in comfortably, appreciating the art, speaking the language of culture. Others might feel awkward, unsure of what to say, sensing they don't belong. That feeling isn't random, it's habitus at work. Bourdieu believed our experiences from childhood, the schools we attend, the values of our parents, the people we interact with, all mold our internal world. It's not just about what we know, but about what feels natural to us. Habitus isn't a prison, but it does guide our choices and perceptions. It's the bridge between our personal behavior and the larger social structures around us. Think of it this way. If society were a game, habitus would be the player's instinct, the feel for the game. Two people might play on the same field, but one already knows the unspoken rules, while the other struggles to even recognize them. This is how privilege and inequality can quietly reproduce themselves, generation after generation, even when no one explicitly says so. Contemporary sociologists have built on this idea. Loïc Wacquant, for example, used habitus to explain how marginalized communities internalize patterns of behavior shaped by economic and political pressures, what he called the carnal sociology of everyday life. Similarly, Bernard Lahire revisited Bourdieu's work, arguing that people today have multiple habitus because modern life exposes us to diverse worlds: school, work, family, online spaces, each shaping us differently. And if you think about it, you've probably seen this in your own life. The way you switch between languages, manners, or tone, depending on who you're with, that's your habitus adapting. It's how a working-class student might navigate an elite university, constantly balancing between two cultural worlds. Or how immigrants adapt to a new country, carrying pieces of their old habitus while forming a new one to survive. Even Irving Goffman's idea of social performance, that life is a stage and we play roles, connects closely with habitus. But Bourdieu went deeper, suggesting that we're not just acting, we are the roles, shaped from within by years of subtle conditioning. So the next time you feel out of place, or you notice someone fitting in effortlessly, pause for a moment. It's not just about confidence, it's about history living inside of us. Habitus reminds us that society isn't something out there, it's in our gestures, our choices,